Hey, Bob Nash here. Today I'll be talking about the Baxia motion sensor solar powered lights. I have the 100 and the 28 LED. It's a little chilly out today. As you can see, there's still frost on the ground where the sun didn't shine. There's the first one. Second one. So I've got these stationed around the house so that when one goes off, the next goes off. These are my hardwired lights. And then around the back here I have my 100 LED. It's really important to keep these things clean. That's a 28, 100, and 100. And then I'll be showing you these at nighttime. So here's the street. If we come back around again, so far these things have been pretty excellent, especially to survive a few Minnesota winters. Can get anywhere between 10 degrees and minus 10 degrees or colder with the wind chill. And then I've got some under the windows. And there's the backyard.